Go ahead.
Your Honor, Mr. Petterprint and the public defender's office is kind of an impasse. He would like to withdraw his plea. We have no legal basis to do so. At this point, I think maybe new counsel needs to be appointed if he wants to do so, because we don't necessarily agree with that strategy.
Was this a felony that came down?
This is misdemeanor, I do believe.
Yeah, it was an OWI second.
Okay. And you're wishing to withdraw your plea, but defense counsel in good conscience can't file that.
They're saying that the only way that they would be able to file it would be via the ineffective assistance. And that is not exactly what I've been trying to say, but it's rather hard to do so. I don't want to waste the court's time. I guess I also don't want to waste my time. I've been in here about 6 months. So with that being said, I guess if I have a question as far as if I did file for the ineffective assistance to see where we could go from there. As far as my representation, would I be able to represent myself, or do I have to wait on representation from another firm that would do this pro bono?
Well, are you asking that? I mean, I don't know that a motion has been filed before the court for the withdrawal of the public defender. So they're still on the case, but I'm trying to figure out what the issue is.
And if Mr. Petterprint does not want to move forward with sentencing today, I think that's the only viable next step is for the public defender's office to withdraw, because we don't agree on the strategy moving forward.
Well, no, I understand that part. I'm just trying to figure out why. Or is there a basis upon which you're seeking to withdraw your plea, sir?
Yes, if I may, I have some notes here that I wrote down. I'll keep them brief.
Please.
All right. Now, I won't need to go all as far as my desire to withdraw the plea. I have several things written down, but as I said, I'll try to keep it brief. For one, and I'd say the main, the fact that several of the gentlemen I was engaged with an altercation. Several of the gentlemen I was engaged with in an altercation on the night in question were moved to my blocks days, if not the night prior to my arraignment and or pre-sentencing, preliminary hearings, and so forth. Has to do with why I would like to withdraw my no contest if necessary. And to explain that, I would say that, I would say that being that it can be hard to communicate or even think, while being incarcerated and different things like that are things that would, make it hard for me to make the proper decision, but I did not plead guilty. And that's why I believe that the no contest plea it would certainly be, I would feel, now granted I have not passed the bar exam or anything like that, but I feel that it would be easier to withdraw a plea of no contest than a guilty or not guilty plea. That being said, there were other issues with the offense in general. As far as, like I said, it was, the offense is a driving or operating while intoxicated. And I was not in my vehicle. I did not have keys in my vehicle. I had not hit anything on the road that would indicate that I had caused the drunk driving.
Let me just stop you there.
Sure.
Because I'm not sure that these are forming any basis on whatever. Do you want to be represented by the public defender's office or not?
Well, again, I'll ask my question again. If we are, if we do,
I'm not
take
gonna answer
away,
your questions. I just need to know, do you want to be represented by the public defender's office or not?
well, in order for me to give you that answer,
Okay, then you won't give me an answer. Here's what I'm gonna do.
here's my answer.
Counsel, no, stop,
No,
stop.
I'm not allowed.
Right
I'm not allowed to speak
right
about-
now, no. Miss Attorney, your office makes a decision as to whether or not they want to withdraw. I'm gonna adjourn the sentencing out, and you folks have to decide whether we're proceeding with sentencing or not, or whether or not he's gonna file a motion to withdraw.
I asked if I could represent myself if they were taken off. You didn't answer that question for me.
They can explain that to you. Sentencing in this matter will be adjourned.
To what date?
February 14th,
What day?
2024. What time? 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Thank you. Bond
Thank you.
continue.
Thank you, John.